Ever wondered how to make your small garden both productive and visually pleasing? Let's talk about space-saving gardening techniques, particularly espaliered fruit trees, a wonderful method that combines the best of both worlds, ornamental beauty and fruit production. Well, today we'll dive into the world of espaliered fruit trees, the perfect blend of aesthetics and utility. So, what exactly are espaliered fruit trees? Originating from France, these are trees expertly trained to grow flat against a wall, fence, or trellis. Ideal for space-limited gardens, they've gained popularity for their ornamental and space-saving qualities. Now that we know what they are, let's discover how to create our own. Creating an espaliered fruit tree might seem complex, but it's quite simple when broken down into steps. First, you need to select a suitable fruit tree. Apples, pears, and plums are popular choices due to their flexible branches. Next, plant your tree approximately 10 to 12 inches away from your support structure. This could be a wall, fence, or even a trellis. Then comes the exciting part, training your tree. Using soft ties, gently bend the branches towards your support, creating your desired shape. Fan and candelabra are classic espalier shapes, but feel free to get creative. Pruning is the next step. This is done during winter when the tree is dormant. Remove any branches that don't fit your design, always making sure to leave enough for fruit production. Finally, maintain your masterpiece. Regular watering, feeding, and pest control will ensure your espaliered fruit tree thrives. And voila! You've just created your very own espaliered fruit tree. Before we wrap up, remember these key points about espaliered fruit trees. Choosing the right tree is crucial. Dedicate time for careful training to achieve your desired shape. Regular pruning and maintenance are essential for a healthy tree. The beauty of these trees lies not just in their ornamental appeal, but also in their space-saving nature. So that's how you create an espaliered fruit tree. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!